Hello everyone, today we'll talk about the 5 peso coins of the Philippines. But before we continue, please subscribe to my channel, sa TV3. Okay, let's continue. Guys, this is the 5 peso coins of the Philippines. In front of this coin, you will see the portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo. And at the lower side, there is a 1997. And the upper side, you will see the Republika ng Pilipinas. Now, I will show you the reverse of this coin. So this is the reverse of this coin. So you will see here the logo of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas at the middle, and at the lower side there is in 1993. So now let's continue. The 1997 Philippine 5 peso coins with mint mark is generally worth its face value of 5 peso, while an uncirculated or pristine condition can fetch between 15 to 60 peso among coin collectors. Despite popular internet rumors claiming these coins are worth thousands of pesos, they are very common and hold little premium unless they have verified minting errors. With mint mark PI struck locally at the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas Security Plant Complex in Quezon City, the small PI mint marks can be found on the reverse side near the bottom of the old BSP logo. Now let's talk about the without mint mark. Struck by the Royal Canadian Mint to help meet local coin demands. Neither version is rare according to official numismatics databases like Nomista. The version with the PI mint mark actually accounts for a smaller percentage of recorded collection. For that specific year, but because millions were produced, it does not hold high value. Your coin will only command a high value if it features a genuine minting errors such as number 1. Off-center strikes, the design is visibly misaligned or cut off. Number 2. Die rotation, the front and back design do not align properly when flipped. Number 3. Wrong plans errors minted on the wrong metal composition. Okay guys, this coin year 1997 is a collectible coin if you see a mint mark like this one. Mint mark like this one. So this is a collectible. Without mint mark, the coin is not a collectible. But there is another one which is the with mint mark PI stock. You will see that PI mint mark can be found at the reverse side near the bottom of the old BSP logo. On the reverse side of this coin, there is a PI. If you see a PI, meaning that is a collectible coin. So guys, I will not mention any amount of this coin because the collectors will tell you the exact amount of this coin, because the value of your coin, it depends on the condition of your coins. Anyway, before I end, please subscribe to my channel, Jose TV3. Thank you.